She ain't been opened up in a little while. She's pretty rusty though.
Yeah, Rock got that one real bad.
Yeah. So we got this bad girl here. I'm gonna try to get him fired up too. Battery in him. Had to fix a connection there. She was all rotted off. Yeah, on the inside, this had some raccoons living in it too.
Raccoons! That's what those furry little bitches are, Julian. Fucking me over, raccoons!
Cleaned up a lot of the poop, but this was all poop and all through there. She's even got the old maps in her still. She's still half nested back here. I don't get it all cleaned. Oh look, this might be the air cleaner for the 3-ton. Had to wrench the wing nut off the whole way, so she ain't been opened up in a little while. First look here. Oh yeah, look at the spiders in her. Oh, lots of stuff. Oh, there's lots of stuff outside the filter. But I think we're pretty good inside the filter. Other than spider webs. She's definitely rusty. Oh, she's sticky too. She moves though a little bit.
Yeah, that's a good sign.
I don't know if we can get this whole apparatus out of the way. Oh, dump the shit out of them too. Yeah, what do we got there? She's sticky just on that end. Oh my. Oh, the old cable. Look, the cable blew right up or something.
Oh, it did too. Look at that.
Holy shit. Wonder why that is.
I don't know. This thing weird looking too, whatever that is.
Old shredded newspaper down here. Old tinder.
She's a
little bunged up, but we got other carbs maybe for him if we had to.
I got a couple of Q-jets down at the house still, I think.
She should have higher though.
Should. Quality HEI.
Yeah. So we could just try them.
You can go crank? You can go crank from the cab?
Yeah, we can try. She's hooked up. We'll see what she says.
Oh, the clutch pedal.
She's stiff. Oh, the whole cab. The wall of the cab is the clutch went through the floor.
Is that what happened?
I think. Yeah.
I assume it's got a clutch safety.
Yeah, she might just be clicking the starter. Have to give her some knocking. Get under here and try hitting her.
Yeah, see if you can beat on them. Oh, this is a fancy one. It's even got a tack.
It does, eh?
Yes.
Look at that. Back of the seat is gotten a fair bit of going over. I think they were living in the seat.
Hello?
Yeah, oh yeah, she's all gone. She's got the antenna.
Got dual double antenna.
You can really tune in up there.
Hey, you got two of them. Well, that one's not as barely even any rust.
Yeah, she's not even rusty. You don't got to worry about rust. It won't make your frame break in half. I promise. And that's factory installed there.
This is the best crossover on the truck.
Yeah. Yeah, the solidest.
Even use them good bolts in them too.
Yeah, it's got the good lag bolts in her. Yeah, she's pretty rusty though. Can't really fake that stuff. Yeah, there's where the shackle mounts. Nothing left.
It's pretty bad when even the front of them go.
Yeah.
Usually it's only the arse of them rot off.
Yeah, it's not common you see the whole thing.
No.
And then she got chewed on. Looks like a shot up here. I don't really know what happened. No other holes though. But yeah, full headliner and everything in it. Fully sagged. But yeah, she was a nice little girl in her day. Oh, never mind.
Oh.
I found the end of this battery cable down here is just as white and powdery as the other one.
That'll do it. Watch yourself. I'm going to set the cab back down with the clutch pedal.
Okay.
Oh, it's going to stay, I think. Get the cables to them?
Get cables right on them, maybe.
Yeah, I got them right here. Yeah, the battery's coming out through the bottom here.
Did she go?
No, I got them. Put that on with the crescent hammer, didn't you?
Yeah. Well, no, actually, I didn't. I thought you meant the battery. I was gonna say, put the battery in with the hammer.
Power guy. She's live too.
Okay. Try to get her going here.
Try her again.
Oh. She's trying, I think.
How is it this old girl only ever had one inspection, but it's got 95,000 kilometers on her?
I don't know.
Old boy didn't care, did he?
No. Remember I was saying, oh, this one would be easier to turn?
Yeah.
Well, it's not. I forgot because of the force feed. Well, actually, there's this little spot here you can get at them.
Yeah, there's that front cover that comes off, the little shield.
Oh, is it? It's like touching it's like filled all the way to the bell house. There's shit packed between it.
Oh.
Like tight the whole way around.
Oh.
I don't even know what. Feels like rust.
Is it like corrosion like in there? Like?
Yeah, like the flywheel's so rusty.
Oh, that's dirty.
Yeah, that would be a hard one to fucking get going and stuff too.
Poor old girl.
Sour.
Poor old girl.
Detroit was like that too. The gears had rust in them, wouldn't turn all the way around.
Oof.
But this puppy seems like all the way around.
Oof.
You know what I mean? It's
Yeah,
packed.
she's pretty much gonna come out.
Yeah, that's what it almost seeming like. I might have to start him on the floor or something, or on the ground, this guy. Because I would like to tear them all out.
Oh, tear him out and get him going on the ground. It's probably a good engine.
I think so. Good engine, definitely good trans and stuff.
Oh yeah, good training trans case for sure.
Yeah. Front diff.
My tan truck needs that diff.
I know, eh?
Probably break that too, I imagine though.
I would almost think. Keep going absurd with him, would have full big guy with him, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
I think that's the only way to go. But yeah, the poor old cab's pretty sour on this one.
Even the f***ing steering column's rotten.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah, letting it go. That's like, I think the bearing right there, ain't it? That collared thing.
yeah, I would say.
Yeah, the steering column's ruining him even.
Wow.
Wow.
It's got a dirty old Fram filter on the engine down there too.
Yes, that's nothing but the best. I thought they were really good. Because it was like special ordered and whatnot. Because this came without a back seat too. So she was like a
She's got the
working's man special. So I don't know. It might have came as a plow
very well
truck
might have.
straight from the factory. I don't know.
Did they have like a snow fighter package or something?
That was kind of what we were thinking, maybe, but I don't know.
Well, even the Dana 60 in the front.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah. Well, it was a dually.
Oh yeah, the dually. Yeah. Real 1 ton.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna say because that weren't real common.
Yeah. 'Cause any of the 3/4 tons I've ever got or anything like that, they're all Dana 44, 10 bolt, whatever.
Yeah. I think it might have been like a special ordered girl, and then they just left her go.
Shame let her go so bad.
I know.
She would have been a real nice truck in her day.
Yeah. Yeah, she's got the moss growing on her real bad. And
We only could have saved them about 10 years ago.
I know. And the old box over here, same thing. There's not much left of him. See, this one's already got the broken hip on him. Broke up real bad. But the other one is still good, actually, so salvageable. And if a guy get real creative, you can make the mold off this one. It'll make your other one, because I think they're the same side to side. It's cracked a little here too, but do you ever see how they do them too, eh? They cut the box
Yes.
and they got that little thing.
Yes, it's very weird.
Yeah. But yeah, she's pretty much gonna get cut up for pieces, this guy.
Yeah, she,
Save what's any good off of them and junk the rest.
yeah, Rock got that one real bad.
Yeah. Yeah, the old back of the frame and stuff's already up in the junk pile. Yeah, on the way home, the spring come right 3 feet up through the box. Pretty dirty. So I think this old girl, I think she's going to be a little bit more involved. But might have to pull the engine and split the trans and get the flywheel cleaned up on him. I think he's bunged right up with rust. But I think she'll go. Take a little bit of doing, I think. But she'll still run. I know she will.
Oh, yeah, the one.
Yeah, you can't keep a Chevy down.
Huh?
Well, you can take her back end, but You can't keep her down.